Very good morning, class students. Our running topic is mensuration. So from that today I am going to explain 10.3 exercise problems. Here is the question. Listen here. Spherical marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeters. Here spherical marbles are there. What is diameter? D is equal to 1.4 centimeters. Diameter of the spherical marbles 1.4 centimeters are dropped into a cylindrical beaker. Here one beaker there. Here one beaker there. That marbles are in the shape of sphere. That marbles are dropped into a beaker of diameter 7 centimeters. What is the diameter of that beaker? 7 centimeters. Diameter of that beaker is 7 centimeters, which contains some water. Already in that beaker some water are there. So here marbles are dropped into the beaker. Marbles are dropped into the beaker. So what happens after dropping the marbles? Compulsory the water level of the water increases. Find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker. Here I don't know how many marbles are dropped into the beaker. So the water level rises here. Water level rises up to 5.6 centimeters. 5.6 centimeters. Okay, here what is the question? Here some marbles are there. The marbles are in the shape of sphere with diameter 1.4 centimeters. That marbles is dropping into one beaker. Already that beaker contains some water. So by dropping that marbles, the water level increases. So how much? 5.6 centimeters. To increase this much up, you have to drop how many droplets? How many marbles? It means here I don't know how many marbles are dropped into the beaker. It means you have to find the number of marbles. Here what is the question? One beaker, it contains some water. What he is doing? He is dropping some marbles into the beaker. So by dropping that, water level is increasing. How much it is? 5.6 centimeters. For example, water level increased by dropping marbles. By dropping marbles. That should be in the shape of a cylinder. Why? Because beaker is in the shape of a cylinder. So this is the level increased. This is the water level increased after dropping the marbles. What is the diameter? D is equal to 7 centimeters. And height is nothing but rising level of the water is equal to 5.6 centimeters. Now volume of water. Okay. Next, marbles. Marbles are in the shape of a sphere. What is the diameter? D is equal to 1.4 centimeters. Diameter D is equal to 1.4 centimeters. Then R is equal to 1.4 by 2 is equal to 14 by 20 is equal to 2 sevens are 2 tens are is equal to 7 by 10 centimeters. So radius of that marble is 7 by 10 centimeters. Similarly here R is equal to D by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Here let number of marbles dropped into beaker I am taking as K. Here I don't know how many marbles are dropped into the beaker. So I am taking the number of marbles as K. So as per given. So this level of water increased by dropping the marbles. It means volume of the marbles is equal to rising level of the water. Why? Because this much of water level increased by dropping the marbles. It means the volume of the marbles is equal to volume of the water increased by dropping the marbles. Clear? Here first in the beaker this much of water are there. So after dropping the marbles, what happens? That water level increased up to 5.6 centimeters. It means the level of the water, the volume of the water increased by dropping the marbles is equal to volume of the marbles. The volume of water increased by dropping marbles is equal to K into volume of marbles. K into volume of marbles. It means the rising level is in the shape of a cylinder. So what we can write? Pi r square h is equal to K. Here why I am taking K? I don't know how many marbles are there. So number of marbles I took as K. So K into what is the volume of the sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So pi means 22 by 7 into what is the radius of the cylinder? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into what is the height here? 5.6 centimeters. It means what we can write here? 56 by 10. 56 by 10 is equal to K into 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. What is the radius of the marble? 7 by 10. 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. Now any cancellations? 32 by 7, 22 by 7 cancel. Then after there is no 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are, 2 1s are 2 14s are. 7 into 7 into 14 by 10 is equal. Any cancellation here? There is no chance to cancel. So 4 into 7 into 7 into 7 by 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 into K. Now I need the value of K. Here what is the remaining? 7 into 7 into 14 by 10 is equal 4 by 3 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into K. See here I am transporting left side one to right side. It means what we can write? 7 into 7 into 14 by 10. Numerator 1 you write into denominator side. 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 by numerator side in denominator. 7 into 7 into 7 is equal to K. First of all, any cancellation? 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. 10 and 10 gets cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 2 ones are, 2 fives are. What is the remaining? 3 into 5 into 10 is equal to K. So K is equal to 3 fives are 15, 15 tens are 150. So how many marbles? He dropped 150 marbles into that beaker. See here, another question is friends. A pen stand is made of wood. Here, one pen stand there that is made of wood in the shape of a cuboid. What is the shape of the pen stand? Cuboid. With 3 conical depressions. For example, here one pen stand is in the shape of cuboid. So in the 3 conical depressions are there to hold the pen. cuboid. What are the dimensions of cuboid? 15 centimeters, 10 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters. So length of the cuboid is equal to 15 centimeters and breadth of the cuboid is equal to 10 centimeters and height is equal to 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 we can write as 35 by 10. Then after, the radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeters. So the cone, what is the radius of the cone? R is equal to, each of the depression is 0.5 centimeters. Radius of the cone is equal to 0.5 is equal to 5 by 10 is equal to 5 ones are 5 twos are. So radius of the cone is equal to 1 by 2 centimeters. Similarly, what is the depth? Depth is nothing but height of the cone. Depth is nothing but height of the cone. What is the height here? 1.4 centimeters. So height of the cone is equal to 1.4. 1.4 we can write as 14 by 10. 2 7s are 2 5s are is equal to 7 by 5 centimeters. Now you have to find the value of the wood to enter the stand. Here, these are the dimensions of cuboid and these are the dimensions of cone. So first I need value of cuboid. What is the formula? LBH, length into breadth into height. What is the length here? 15 into 10 into. What is the height? 7 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are is equal 15 5s are 75 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3 52. So then value of the cuboid is 525 centimeter cube. Next I need value of cone. What is the formula? Pi r square h by 3. Pi means 22 by 7. What is the radius of the cone here? 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into. What is the height? 7 by 5 by 3 is equal. 7 7 gets cancelled. Then after 2 1s are 2 11s are. What is the remaining here? 11 by 3 into 2 into 5 is equal to 11 by 3 into 10. 0 cancel, 1.1. 0.33 are 9, remaining 2, 3 6 are 0.36 centimeter cube. Value of wood. In the pension is equal to value of cuboid minus 3 into value of cone. So why I am taking 3 here? There are 3 depressions. So what is the value of the cuboid? 525. Value of the cuboid is 525 minus 3 into value of the cone 0.36. Is equal to 525 minus 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So 10.8. Now subtract. It is 1.08. Five 24.92 centimeter cube. So volume of wood in the penchant is 524.92 centimeter cube. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. The diameter of the base and height of cone 48 centimeters and 7 centimeters respectively. Determine the surface area of the toy. So to find the surface area, you have to find the curved surface area of a cone and also curved surface area of the hemisphere. Then after add the both.